All right, this is Shon Gerber again with Reduce Cyber Risk, and this is RCR exam question number 2. So these are exam questions that I'm putting out there for Reduce Cyber Risk, and this is for individuals who are taking your CISSP exam. This is some awesome stuff that you'll be able to use because we all know taking the CISSP exam is a bugger, and therefore we want to avoid as much pain as we can as it comes to taking that test. So these are some questions divided or designed around each domain to provide you some guidance around how to pass the test. Again, nothing's perfect. It's not going to guarantee success. However, it will put you in a very good place to be able to do very well on the exam. All right, so this is domain 1, security and risk assessment. All right, so the first question: when considering the data owner for an application or the data itself, who would be the best owner of the data? A, CIO or Chief Information Officer. B, CTO or Chief Technology Officer. C, business owner / IP owner. Or D, IT organization. And the answer is, drumroll please, C, business owner or IP owner. The business owner or IP owners really are the best people or individuals to own the data as it's associated with any sort of application or where it might be stored. They know what's best to protect the data, and they should be the ones that are owning it. Now, sometimes that can be a challenge, and so therefore it's commonly thought that IT's got it figured out. IT will protect it. IT's got it. But as an IT individual, especially as a cybersecurity individual, you need to push back on some of that, and you need to make sure that there are proper ownership for the data. IT is not responsible for it. Now, you might be horned with being responsible, but at the end of the day, it is not necessarily your responsibility to make sure that that's done. So you need to work with these data owners, with leadership, to manage all the data from access, storage, etc. And now it's your responsibility to help protect it, but at the end of the day, there needs to be somebody else who owns it. So keep that in mind as you are building out your career and getting ready for the CISSP exam. Next question. Commonly, passwords are shared with others within so many organizations that and as you, a person studying for your CISSP exam, what part of the CIA triangle, that's confidentiality, integrity, and availability, is compromised through this action? Okay, so sharing of passwords, okay, with others within your organization, which part of the CIA triangle is compromised? Confidentiality, boom, boom. That's A. B, availability. C, integrity. Okay. And D, all of the above. Which one is it? And the answer is A. Confidentiality is compromised when passwords are shared amongst personnel. Do not share passwords. It's a bad idea. Sometimes it has to happen, and from a risk standpoint, you need to be aware of it. But you need to make sure that you do not share passwords as much as you possibly can and avoid that situation at all costs. Okay, there are many different legitimate reasons for sharing, okay? But then you also need to make sure that you have the adequate controls in place to reduce this risk. All right, so as you're checking out this training, you go to udemy.com, and at udemy.com, you can get my CISSP Certification Training. All you got to type in is my name, Shon. Yeah, that's right, S-H-O-N Gerber, like the baby food, toilet, or knife. There's probably other things that Gerbers have made. But CISSP Certification, you can check it out there. Or you can go to reducecyberrisk.com/CISSP-training, and you can find out all of my CISSP training. It's available for you, domains 1 through 8. All of this content is going to be available to you. Just go check it out at udemy.com. All right, go catch you out on the flip side. See ya.